you. How do you mentally come back from these losses and these drawdowns and when you take a loss?
I have the good fortune of having been through so many surges to new highs and so many drawdowns in my lifetime that when I'm in a drawdown, I just remember how it felt when I was in 2020 and making 100% that year and doing the same thing I'm doing right now. And when I'm in 2020 and kind of run the potential of being very full of myself and saying, wow, I'm just a rock star here and I'm making 100% and wow, this is cool. And I should do more of this, or I should leverage it up or whatever. I remember the drawdowns. So I kind of try to balance myself by taking myself the other way. I always fight the new highs. I don't go and celebrate because I had $100,000 day or something and let's go out and have a steak dinner. I just say, hey, that just pays the freight for some of the days when I was, down 40,000 or whatever. You don't celebrate and you don't get depressed over the swings because that both of them are part of the game. I heard Ed Seykota once, he's a famous trader. He said something to the effect of trading is like breathing. People want profits, which is like breathing in, you get more oxygen, but they don't want losses. But you have to breathe out to get your next breath in. So it's like breathing. You have to have a little bit of both in there. And as long as there's more oxygen coming in than you're giving out, and you're absorbing into your body, you get to continue to live. So it's kind of like trading. You just want to get more profits and give back some, but it's part of the process. So
absolutely,
don't get upset over it.
Yes, it's minimizing those highs and lows and those emotional reactions, and we don't want that affecting our decision making. It's trying to stay as well as neutral as possible and not being so up and down